still want donuts.
Hello.
Hi, can I please have 6 donuts?
Cinnamon ones?
Yes, please.
$7, thank
We're not going to miss the boat.
We're not going to miss the wedding.
We only missed one wedding. One wedding. That was all.
Yeah, pretty important wedding, hey?
Alright, I'm going to attempt a second donut because that one got stolen. I was holding it like right here. Ah! Jesus!
Do you want me to hold the GoPro?
Oh my god, that's scary!
You've got some friends. Do you imagine if you're one of those people that were scared of birds? Alright, donuts was a bad idea.
I think we lost him.
No?
We look amazing. Thanks.
No worries at all. Cheers.
Yeah, good. I also need to visit. So the boat trip was awesome. The hairstyle you get from it is a little bit questionable though. I'm pretty keen to go to the motel now and just tidy up my hair. I'm not going anywhere else. I look fine, of course.
You're ocean going Melissa.
Ocean going Melissa, correct. That's terrible. You look alright.
No, what's going on in the front here?
It's ocean going Scott.
That's right.
We're all good. I do need to clean that up though. That's looking a little special. Or feral, whichever one you want to use.
So we're going to the hotel now?
Yes, please, let's go to the hotel. That's where I'm going to sit right now and have a drink. Do you think that it would be bad parenting if I just never went home? Scott's watching the footy, so he's not really interested in my question, but like I am pretty happy with sitting out here on the balcony watching the view. Is it bad parenting if we don't go home?
What?
Do you think it would be bad parenting if we don't go home?
No, not at all.
Not even just even a little bit?
That's all they want from us now, ain't it?
That's so true. Just send them money and they won't mind. It's so calm out there now. I really, really, really want to put the drone up.
I know you do.
And just fly it straight out there.
You can't do it here.
I feel like I could do it here.
No, I know you feel like you could, but you can't.
It's seriously lucky he's around because otherwise I would just do dumb shit all the time. But he is my fun police. I trust you with the keys.
Oh man, it's actually so city out here, look.
Is that our taxi?
No?
Is that our taxi?
Yep.
Hey. Are we in?
Yeah, is this ours? How you going?
How are you?
Good.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, well, I could have gone around the outside.
Nothing says tourist more than the camera, does it?
No.
Oh, I'm pretty stoked with that.
What?
That looks awesome.
The backdrop.
Yeah. I think that looks good. Have they got good snitty?
No, no snitty, bro.
You're kidding me.
No, I'm gonna bloody have to get some. I'm sure they have some.
Scott always gets snitty.
I don't always.
You always
I
get
don't.
snitty.
I even get the other one I like. I don't.
Lean in.
I don't. She's lying.
See? I think that looks good.
So what are you having?
Now you can't see you. You need to scooch over.
That'd be weird. It'd be like we like each other or something.
No. Don't be ridiculous, Scott. Mains, fish and chips, pizza, buttermilk, chicken burger.
Because you're not really a burger kind of chick, are you?
No, I'm definitely
You might have to go
not.
inside and see what else they've got.
It's actually nice out here.
I know, it's like not quite summer, but it's...
I did not expect this at Victor.
No.
And particularly today because I thought, like, because they had said rain and I was like, oh man, Victor's just going to be freezing and raining
Yeah.
and pretty much awful. Like on the boat,
But,
only on land.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I expected.
me too.
I wouldn't have stayed the night here for... I think the last time I stayed the night here was with my dad.
Yeah.
And I would have been 10. No, it was my first year of high school because we actually bought my first flute from down here.
Did you?
Yeah, yeah.
But you stayed down here?
We stayed down here. Haley and I and Dad came down and we stayed in a motel. And my dad bought me my first flute from here.
Are you okay?
Yes. I'm so full though.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm seriously full.
Yeah,
and that
it
was...
looks big again in the camera. You need to
It does look really big, and why is my hair puffy?
I need to go forward now.
Really,
Saying
is
that
it?
it's your 60th tomorrow. You're doing alright.
It is my 60th tomorrow. Doing okay.
Done alright.
I think so. There's a trap. I wonder if that trap goes up. Let's find out. There's something I gotta do, and I can't leave before I do it. And I'm not entirely sure it's a really good idea, but I'm gonna give it a crack anyway. Hopefully this track goes where I want it to. I found a path. It's a very steep path. It's like first thing in the morning, Scott opted not to come. I said to him, like, I gotta climb that hill. He goes, I know you do. So he's not coming, he's down in the motel. But this is one of the best morning walks I've been on. This is a seriously big hill. It's really high. I'm not that keen on heights. I made it. I absolutely made it. It feels like the sun's really bright. It feels like you're on top of the world. glad I did that. And more than a little concerned about the trip down. I think going up is much better than coming down. I feel like going down is slippery because I'm getting old. But I've never climbed to the top of this. So it was on my hit list. It was an absolute, like, I must do this before I go anywhere. Climb up to the top of that hill. I love going away.
You love coming home.
I love coming home.
Yeah.